Bambarakanda Falls, also known as Bambarakanda Falls, stands as Sri Lanka's tallest waterfall, plunging 263 meters, 863 feet, amid the tea and pine-clad highlands of Kalapahana in the Badulla district. Formed by the Kuda Oya, a tributary of the Walawe River, the falls tumble through a tranquil forest of pine trees, offering a dramatic cascade and a serene backdrop for nature lovers. Located about 5 kilometers from the A4 highway, this majestic curtain of water invites hikers and visitors to pause, soak in the mist, and marvel at the resilient beauty of Sri Lanka's southern highlands.